Meaning of decameter.
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 Decameter. A decameter is a unit of length that is equal to 10 meters. It is abbreviated as dam. This unit of measurement is relatively uncommon and is typically used for scientific or technical purposes rather than in everyday life. One example of a situation where decameters might be used is in measuring the width or length of large outdoor areas such as parks or fields. Decameters are also sometimes used in engineering or construction contexts, such as when designing large-scale infrastructure projects like highways or bridges.